I know that was a little confusing, possibly, but just remember we're building an equation. It's like a math equation, only this time we're using the symbols. So that's what the next part is. It says hypothesize. Click next. In the next step, another proton will be fired at the hydrogen 2 atom. So it's having us click next. And then we're going to fire a proton again. Notice the equation changed. So we click next. We click next. Here. And the equation changed here. Notice it has our 2/1 hydrogen that we created last time. What are we going to do? We're going to fire a proton. What is the symbol for a proton? That gets written here. And then you'll watch what happens, and then you'll just add a cross. So again, you're firing the proton, and you're watching what happens. So here we're firing the proton. Let's watch what happens. Here comes another proton. Whoa, a new symbol came off. So, what does our nucleus look like now? That's what our equation is going to be. So we have our new nucleus. How many protons are there? There's 2. And there's 1 neutron. What did we fire at it? We fired a proton. So that's 1/1 H. And what does that equal? What is 2 plus 1? Well, that equals 3. What is 1 plus 1? That equals 2. What element has 2 protons in it? 1, 2. There's an element that has 2 protons. That element is helium. So in our gizmo, we are going to click on here. We're going to click edit. We know we fired a proton. We know that symbol is 1/1 capital H. We add a cross. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And our new symbol, we're predicting based on the periodic table of elements that it's He. It says turn on show equation, and we got it right. We had a little piece of gamma, some energy come off. So again, correct your equation. If necessary, just write no correction needed if it's not necessary. And then we are ready to move on to apply. So we're just continuing with this reaction. So apply, it says click next. The last step in the cycle involves 2 helium-3 atoms reacting. So you'll click fire He3. So we're not firing a proton now, we're firing helium. So we go here, we're going to click next. Click next right here. That changes our equation. And then we will fire He3. So that's the third tab here. You're going to fire that. And then you're on your own to create the equation from this. So we had He3 plus something equals, and it looks like there's going to be 3 things that happen afterwards. Then you'll turn on show equation and then correct your equation if necessary. Hope these videos helped, and good luck. Have a great class.